Monsoon feels refreshing, but your health may disagree. With the rains come common health problems like cold, cough, fever, and infections. Why does it happen? Humidity, contaminated water, and changing temperatures make it easier for infections to spread. Common monsoon illnesses: cold, cough, viral fever, stomach infections, and mosquito-borne diseases are more common. Stay protected, drink clean water, eat fresh food, and maintain hygiene. Enjoy the rain. Protect your health. A little care can keep monsoon sickness away.